My dear people of Kaduna State, I have today been notified of more positive COVID-19 results of people close to me, including an immediate family member and senior officials of the Kaduna State government. I'm therefore in self-isolation and hope to be tested by Sunday. This is purely a precautionary move that complies with the standard COVID-19 protocols. I appeal to every resident of Kaduna State to observe and abide by the preventive protocols against COVID-19, such as washing hands, observing physical distancing, wear your masks all the time you're going out, and avoid gatherings of more than 6 people, particularly during this festive season. I wish you well. I will report back to you on the outcome of the test that I hope will take place on Sunday. Thank you and have a nice weekend. God bless Kaduna State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.